Hello everyone, my name is Lokesh Kumar. So in this video, we are going to see basic level of Jenkins interview questions and also beginner level, intermediate level and experienced level. You see all those. Okay. So we seen here pipeline coding and how we have to write. So initially first video, I'm going to make it as three parts. First one is, interview questions as a beginner level, next after medium level and experience level. So let's see. Okay, so I would like to how I'm making this video is I just would like to read the question and then try to explain, and we'll see what answer it is. Okay, I just prepared all those things. Let me discuss. Okay, let us discuss here. Please do comment, okay, if you do like it. So what is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source automation tool that helps in continuous integration and continuous delivery of software projects. Okay, it automates the building, testing, and deployment of applications, allowing developers to integrate their code changes frequently and detect issues early in the development process. Okay, so how it is in the sense? So it is actually, it is interlinked with the GitHub. Okay, source code will keep in GitHub. So whenever any changes or modifications happens, so then automatically when we are when we are making it as a pipeline CI/CD, so then it will automatically triggers. That's what happens. Okay, how does Jenkins work? Jenkins works by allowing users to create jobs that perform specific tasks. These jobs are configured to trigger automatically based on certain events such as code commits, time schedules, or manual triggers. Jenkins pulls the latest code changes from the version control system, builds the project runs test, and deploys application if all checks pass. So this is how it works. Okay, Jenkins pull the latest code using GitHub or GitLab or whatever. Okay, so builds the projects, it will build it. After that it will test it and it will deploys the application. Okay, maybe if it is Tomcat or any kind of servers, we can deploy the project. Okay, that will be replicable. And what is the key features of Jenkins? Okay, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Next to extensively through a large number of plugins. Okay, this one, and distributed build and support for parallel execution, easy installation and configuration, robust error handling and notification, support for various control system and build tools, detailed reports and logs for better visibility into the build process. Okay, how can you install the Jenkins? You have to download the Jenkins WAR file from the official Jenkins website. Next, to install Java JDKs, that is actually prerequisite, and open terminal or command prompt, navigate to directory where the Jenkins WAR file is located. Yes, run the command java-jar jenkins.var. Jenkins will start. It can be accessed through web server using so and so port like this localhost 8080, right? What is a Jenkins plugin? Jenkins plugins are extensions that enhance the functionality of Jenkins. They allow you to add new features, integrate with third-party tools, and customize the behavior of Jenkins. There is a wide range of plugin available for different purposes such as source code, management, build tools, testing frameworks, and deployment and more. Okay. See guys, here I would like to add one point. Okay. So even you are very much good at practical or very much good at experience, you already experienced with lot more projects also, it doesn't matter in interview. So how you are performing is matters. Okay, so even you are very much good experience with the hands-on also, but if you are fail it explaining in theoretical part, definitely they won't select. This is the matter. Okay, So be, even though if you have a good experience also, you should read it. So you must be strong at theoretical part. So that's why even if you have experience also, so you must read the theoretical part and you try to do the practice. Okay. Next, how do you create a Jenkins job? So log in Jenkins and try to new item. So enter name of your job and select type of, if you want to create, and configure the job. Okay. And after that, save job configuration. Jenkins will start executing based on the triggers you have set. Okay, this is all. Next, what is Jenkins pipeline? A Jenkins pipeline is a way to define and manage the entire CI/CD process in code. It allows you to define the stages, steps, and conditions for your build, and also test and deployment process using a Jenkins file, which is written in Groovy. Pipelines provide better visibility, reusability, and version control of your CI/CD workflows. How do you define Jenkins pipeline? To define Jenkins pipeline, you need to create Jenkins file in the root directory of your project. The Jenkins file contains the script that defines the pipeline stages and steps. You can define the pipeline using either the declarative syntax or scripted syntax. Depends on your preference and requirements. What are the Jenkins agents? Jenkins agents are machines that are connected to Jenkins master and execute the build and deployment task. Okay, agents can be distributed across the different machines, allowing parallel execution of jobs and scaling the build capacity. They communicate with the Jenkins master to receive instructions and report to the build status. How can you secure Jenkins? Enable security and authentication by configuring user accounts and access controls. Use HTTP and SSL TSL encryption for secure communication. Regularly update Jenkins to the latest stable version to get the security patches and bugs fixes. Use plugins like role-based access control plugin to fine-tune user permissions. Okay, disable restrict access to Jenkins administration features for non-administrative users. Next, follow the best practices, securing the underlying server infrastructure hosting Jenkins. So these are all about basic questions about Jenkins. Okay. Next, next part we'll see intermediate level. Okay. Thank you. Please, if you have any doubts or if you do like, please comment and like it. Okay, I'll continue like this. I will definitely post more interview questions on DevOps and AWS. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.